Hi guys, welcome to Math Madness. Today we're going to learn about advanced potpourri and counting part 1. Let n be a 9-digit number. If n is a number which has either an even number for the first digit or the last digit, how many values of n is possible? We can easily calculate this by adding and subtracting. First, we have 4 options for the first digit to be an even number. Sure, we could put 0 in, but that would just give us a 8-digit number, so we have 4 options. So because you're doing counting or potpourri, you need to multiply. So you multiply. You have 10 options for all the 8 numbers, so you multiply 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, 8 times. So I'm gonna simplify that into a power. Then we need to add again. So for the last digit, we have 5. It can be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that's 5. And then there's 8 digits in the first 8 numbers, and there are 10 options for each, so 10 power 8 multiplied by 5 options. But wait, not just yet. What if there could be an even number for the first one and an even number on the last digit? To take that out, we need to minus. How many values are in the first digit? 4. Multiplied by 10 power 7 multiplied by 5. Actually, let's put parentheses to make it more understandable. Calculating this, you will get 4 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then here also you will get 5 8 digits, 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's actually 5. And here 10 power 7, 20. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You add them, 9 minus 2, 7. So together you will actually get 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is our answer. Let's go to the next one. Me and Harry Potter are racing using normal cars. We agreed that we would meet together on Mirabelle Street, which was 2 miles long. I went from the starting of the street, while Harry went from the end of the street. I went at a constant rate of 40 miles per hour, and Harry drove at a constant rate of 60 miles per hour. His owl Hedwig also joins the race, by first starting at the tip of Harry's car and races over to me and touches the tip of my car, and then goes back to Harry and repeats until we crash. If Hedwig travels at a constant rate of 80 miles per hour, how far did it travel until we both crashed into each other? This problem might seem very complicated, but believe me, it's really easy, according to my technique. So what we had to do is, if it's 2 miles long, so if the whole road is equal to 2 miles, and then you're going at a constant speed of 40 miles per hour, Harry's at 60 miles per hour, and that would just mean that you're going 2 over 100, basically 60 plus 40. So that means it'll take 2 out of 100 of an hour to actually complete the whole track until you guys crash. Hedwig is racing 80 miles, right? So that means that in this amount of time, and Hedwig is going 80 miles per hour, going this way, that way, that way, that way. So that means you could just multiply by 80. And that will give you 160 divided by 100. And that will simplify to 16 divided by 10. And that will simplify to 1.6. 1.6 miles. That was fairly simple. Let's go on to the next one. How many ways can you arrange the letters in the word elephant if the two E's have to stay together? This is actually quite complicated, but I'll tell you in the easiest way to understand. There are many ways to overcome this. Let's go. So elephant is spelled E-L, elephant. Okay, elephant. Now, how many letters do we have? This is counting, so we need to use it in factorial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That will give you 8 factorial. But these E's had to stay together. Oh, looking at this, you can simply make the E's together. E's are together. Let's actually put EE and then the elephant. But since they're the same, you can just put them as one. So the EE's, the E is actually one letter. Okay, since EE is actually one letter, and I'll explain why later. L-E-P-H-A-N-T. That's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait a sec. Elephant. P-H-A-N-T-E-E-L-O. We don't need that E. Okay, that was what I was wondering. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will give us 6. And then the E is one letter. So that'll give us 7 factorial. It gives you just 7 factorial, which equals to 5040 if you have memorized them. Basically, 6 factorial is 720, since 5 factorial is 120. And so 720 times 7 is equal to 5040. And we're done. Thanks. Please subscribe.